Hi, I want to explain some of this Jenkins configuration, and I will start with the project name, self-explanatory, the name of the project, description, what the project does. Now let's start with the first one, discard old build. The first option allows you to decide how many days do you want to keep information about a build. So that information is what we call build record. If you specify 10 days, after 10 days, information about a build are going to be discarded. Now, the maximum number of build, this allows you to specify how many builds you want to keep at a time. So if I specify 3 in this case, after 3, all my old build are going to be discarded for every new build. So if I have 3 build and I build a new one, the old one is going to be discarded and the new one is going to take place. Now, days to keep artifacts. So you are specifying after how many days these artifacts from the build are going to be discarded. In this case, 30. This one says the maximum number of artifacts that can be kept. So this one, it's just like this. It's saying you can only keep 10 artifacts from the builds. After 10, the new ones, once new ones comes in, the old ones are going to be discarded. Now GitHub, this allows you to specify the GitHub URL of your project. Copy, permission to copy. This allows you to specify which other project can copy artifacts from this directory. So you specify them, or you can use as wildcard to say all projects can copy artifacts from these projects. Now this is very interesting. Parameterize. A parameterized project is a project that runs based on inputs from whoever is running it. So if I add a string parameter, let's say I'm trying to decide in my script to run or not to run a particular to discard or not to discard a particular file. So I'm going to say discard or not. That's my parameter, and the value right now is false. This parameter is going to be exposed as environmental variable to my script, and I can actually reference it in my script through something like this. I can reference the value through something like this in my script. So based on this parameter, which I'm going to see in my script as environmental variable, I can decide what to discard or not. And also we have what we call the file parameter. The file parameter allows whoever is running the job to upload a file, and the file is going to be saved in this particular location. Let's call it, config. So if I can upload a config file and it's going to be stored in this location. And let's go to the next one. The throttle build allows you to specify the number of build that can run in a particular time. So in this case, we can only have 2 builds run within 1 hour. Disable project allows you to stop further processing of build. So it's a way to say I don't want any job to build for now. Now this is one interesting option. Execute concurrent builds if necessary. It allows you to normally by default only one build can run on a node. Only one build can run for a job. So every new trigger for build has to wait until the previous build has finished. But it's possible to allow concurrent build based on the number of executor. So on a particular node, if I have 3 executor available, I can actually build three jobs. So if I have three executor available, I can build one job on the first one, another job on the second one, another job on the third one. But you have to actually enable this option. To restrict where this project can run, every node can have a label. A label, just think of a label as a name. Now, this job can only run on nodes with the same label or name as this project. So if I label this project A, it can only run on node that has label A. So that's it for now. Those are the options under general, and I'm going to be going through all this. Thank you.